What is good, Cardano fam? Ada gang. We have lots of exciting updates to unpack today, so hit that subscribe, hit that like. MEXC ranks Cardano ADA as the fifth most traded asset during their zero trading fee campaign. Great to see Cardano in the top five, continue to be in the top five, this time alongside Solana, Dogecoin, Sui, and Chainlink. DeFi Llama, world's largest DeFi TVL aggregator, integrates JPEG Store, Cardano's leading NFT marketplace. I remember months ago seeing DeFi Llama integrate USDM, so it's great to see them make this announcement today. Fantastic. And speaking of, Coinbase Institutional announces Coinbase Derivatives LLC now offers CFTC regulated futures for natural gas and Cardano ADA. This is fantastic. More offerings by Coinbase is going to only bode well for the perception of Cardano. Institutional, professional perception of Cardano will continue to go up. Well, speaking of, Cardano ADA crushes another nice poll by Altcoin Daily with over 6,000 votes, surpassing even Bitcoin. Yes, whatever you think of the polls, it's just a vote, but at the very least, it proves that we have a very passionate and active community, which is so important. Rosenbridge advances closer to integrating Dogecoin cross-chain via Cardano, Ergo, Ethereum, and BNB. Watcher integration is already complete. Team is finalizing the review-related PR for guard service inclusion, and user interface integration for Dogecoin is actively in development, so could be very soon. And Rosenbridge has brought so much liquidity from external ecosystems to Cardano. Charles Hoskinson says in terms of the scalability properties of UTXO over accounts based, it's very clear. You hear Vitalik Buterin say, we need UTXO now. They're starting to realize what we knew in 2017. Charles says the connection point between off-chain and on-chain is almost where all the security problems happen. UTXO is built for equality between these two. We thought about that. It's called channel isomorphism. We built that in 2017. That's part of our narrative. Safe and secure, the resilience. Charles says the legacy world needs selective disclosure regimes, real-world assets, and automated compliance. Midnight Network with private smart contracts, identity with Hyperledger Identis, chain abstraction, and hybrid dApps can connect to TradFi. And that is $20 trillion with a T on RWAs. Big potential there. Charles Hoskinson says Bitcoin and Cardano together is a natural extension because of extended UTXO. You build apps the same way. The ethos is very similar. Both are deflationary. Both have a fixed supply. Both focus on decentralization. Bitcoin is a natural partner as opposed to Ethereum to Cardano. And it makes a lot of sense. Charles says Midnight is going to add private Bitcoin transactions. It's just a wallet upgrade for the Bitcoin user. You just flip a switch and you have DeFi mode. I like that a lot, especially with Babel fees and everything. Charles says once the stablecoin and market structure bills pass, that opens the floodgates. Apple, Facebook, Google, and Microsoft will put crypto wallets in their platforms. When you add their users up, it's 3 billion people. And think about it, guys. Once those bills passed, it legitimizes crypto. These companies can skip a lot of middlemen, and the users are already comfortable with those platforms. They've already KYC'd. They already have payment details, so it's just a natural progression. And I think they are incentivized to do this on many, many reasons. So I think we will see Microsoft, Google, Facebook, Apple play a big role with stablecoins and crypto payments. Now, if you guys recall, weeks ago, we spoke about this. Tim Draper, leading VC and entrepreneur, announcing the Cardano Draper University Founder Residency Program. So this allows to, if you're building on Cardano, receive a 42K ADA grant, equity free, a 5-week residency in Silicon Valley, and more. And so I've seen some announcements by projects that got accepted, one of which TX Pipe, fantastic. Another project, Delta DeFi, another one, Sundial, very excited about, was very happy to see that. They're doing some Bitcoin layer 2 stuff. Another one as well, Clay Nations. And I think we have one more, Handle. Yeah, big shout out to Handle. I got to cover Handle more. They're doing a great job with simplification, especially with the naming stuff they're doing for wallets. So great to see. These are the posts that I saw. Perhaps there are more who also got accepted into this program, but great projects nonetheless. Clearly they're doing their research because most of those projects I'm already familiar with. Well, price guys, we did come down to 6.3. We're back up to 6.6. I have been buying at that 6.5 range. Some people think we're going to go down to 50 cents. No one really knows. There are arguments for upside and downside volatility. I would just say be ready for either case. There is a lot of uncertainty right now, but we don't know. This could be more or less the bottom. We might actually go lower than this. What I will say is that, and I've echoed this again and again, Bitcoin searches are very low. In addition to that, many projects like OpenSea, Monad, Abstract, Base, they haven't launched their token. I haven't seen reasons for us to be in a quote unquote bear. And Bitcoin is in its range still of like bull market range. I mean, it's just chilling, right? 82.4 and everyone's losing their mind, even though this is such a higher price than we were like months and years ago. Bitcoin dominance also a reason for, in my opinion, that we're still in a bull. We still haven't seen those crescendos yet, is that Bitcoin dominance is still like very high, 62.3%, right? 62.3%. So still we have a ways to go. I think that it's possible that we revisit below 60 cent ADA. It is possible, but no one really knows. I will be ready to take advantage of both upside and downside volatility. And I'm hoping that more or less the bottom is in. I look at a lot of the qualitative factors, and I know that usually before we send it, everyone gets really frustrated. They're fudding to the maximum. They think that it's over. They think that everything's done, and that's the capitulation before we catapult. But it's hard to get the timing right because every cycle is a little bit different. This time it's been more institution-led. So we're going to continue to watch the market, guys. Don't let the price dictate your feelings. You know what I'm saying? It's good to keep an eye on the price, but don't get so fixated on the 24-hour charts, right? After weeks or months, we could be significantly higher right now. So that's just my 2 cents. Let's take a quick look at the top gainers, top losers. Toncoin. Okay, so there's some green in the market. Very nice. It's good to see green in the market. And honestly, guys, I just stay with a simple, like, buy the fear, sell the greed. There's a lot of people that sometimes go online and just, like, rant. It's like there's always opportunities. Always going to be opportunities. And I really just go off of thesis. You know, ADA is the safe and secure, resilient, decentralized chain built for everyone. XRP, like cross-border payments, right? Enterprise grade, RLUSD, some synergy with ADA. Bitcoin, like digital gold. And that's why I'm holding those three. Bitcoin, ADA, and XRP. ADA being my strongest conviction with altcoins. So really it's about your thesis. Why do you have that project? I don't buy projects. I don't believe in diversification if I don't have a strong belief in the project. And I think ADA strikes on all the cylinders from a qualitative perspective. Strong brand, strong leadership, strong community, decentralization. We got the narrative going on and much more. So guys, let me know what you guys think. I think that the future of ADA is bright, but the short-term volatility, no one really knows. It seems like we're holding pretty well, all things considered. Bitcoin touching that 81.5 and kind of dancing back and forth, 81.5, 83. So we're going to continue to watch. Hopefully Bitcoin doesn't break under the 73.8 range, but anything's possible. Anyways, guys, smash that subscribe, smash that like. I will see you in the next Angry Crypto Show.